Little Gaelic for you here to do with the winter. Snow is sneach, sneach, the snow, and sneach. And in Gaelic we say it's putting snow. Hai cur sneach, hai cur sneach. And one of the words for snowflake, the Gaelic word for wool, as in wool from a sheep, is quoy. And those big snowflakes you see, one of them's a quoyak, and more than one, quoyakin. Quoyakin sneach. So you got sneach, it's snowing, hai cur sneach, literally it's putting snow, and snowflakes, the big ones, quoyakin. Quoyakin. If you see little small snowflakes, those are spiantakin, or some say spianakin.